Are you an adventurer at heart? Do you love exploring the great outdoors or have a passion for survival gear? Well, we've got something special for you today. Introducing the DOZAVI 142-piece survival kit and first aid kit, the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this kit is designed to keep you safe, prepared, and ready for anything. Let's dive right in and see what makes this kit a must-have for every adventurer out there. First up, quality survival gear. The DOZAVI kit comes with an impressive array of essentials, from a hatchet and folding shovel for outdoor tasks to a 3-mode tactical flashlight and multifunctional saber card for various needs. It's got you covered. These tools aren't just for show. They're built to last and withstand the rigors of the wild. Trust me, you'll be glad you have them when you're out there. Safety always comes first. This kit includes a comprehensive 1/8-piece first aid kit. It's like having a mini hospital with you. From wound care to preventing infections, you're in good hands. Accidents can happen, but with this kit, you'll be prepared to handle them swiftly and effectively. What sets this DOZAVI kit apart is its versatility. It's not just for one type of adventure. It's for all of them. Whether you're hiking, camping, fishing, or exploring, this kit adapts to your needs. It's the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and even professionals like medics, firefighters, and police officers. Imagine having the peace of mind that you're fully equipped for any emergency situation. That's what the DOZAVI Survival Kit offers. Confidence in the face of uncertainty. So, whether you're planning a wilderness adventure or just want to be prepared for the unexpected, this kit has your back. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Get your DOZAVI 142-piece survival kit today and embark on your next adventure with confidence. Link in comment box, and remember, adventure awaits. Be prepared with DOZAVI. Subscribe our channel